All right, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K, back for another video. We are back at Santa Barbara Ducati for another episode with our beautiful Ducati Streetfighter. Don't forget, we're gonna be giving this bike away along with our Panigale V2 later this month, in the month of March. We're gonna have two winners. If you guys would like to be entered to win both of these bikes, patreon.com/Campisi Customs is always the first link in the description below. Today we're gonna be installing carbon fiber winglets on this bad boy, a carbon fiber tank cover, and a comfort seat. And Christina is gonna do all the honors of unboxing that stuff for us. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Nothing like pushing a $60,000 custom Streetfighter through a Ducati dealership with a million other badass Ducatis in there. God, it is beautiful. They do have bikes for sale, guys, and they can ship them year-round. Year-round, but also all throughout the whole country. So if you want bikes, hit up Ducati Santa Barbara and tell them I sent you.
What a sexy shop.
I gotta get this. Yeah, it is beautiful with all the paintings and stuff. These paintings are for sale too. So if you guys are interested in paintings, I believe some of them are original, some of them are prints, but yeah, it's actually beautiful. Did we show them Carlin's Corner?
Beautiful. That's Carlin's Corner.
Yeah. All right, we got the bike around back. She's looking absolutely gorgeous. I've been really, yeah. Christina K on Instagram. No, Khalil, sorry, on Instagram.
Wow.
I always call you Christina K anyway. I say with the beautiful Christina K in every video.
Okay, here we go.
All right, we're back on track. Winglets, carbon fiber winglets. I've been waiting for these for a year now, and they are finally available. Once again, we had to go outside of the company that we normally use. They don't have these Ducati Performance, they're sold out. Full Six hasn't made them yet, so we went outside and got them with a different brand. But if you do want these, I would recommend going with either Full Six through Manny or Ducati Performance, which you can get through any dealership, but order them from Ducati Santa Barbara, so that helps us out. But look at this, guys. So we went matte carbon to try and match all the rest of the carbon we have. Now, obviously it's a different weave. This is a 1-to-1 weave, the Full Six stuff. This is a 2-to-2 weave, but it still looks really, really good. That's what's gonna be replacing. Look at that, carbon on carbon. Holy crap. So there's the top one, I believe. My God. Have you seen these? Look at these, John. The carbon winglets, check that out.
Nice.
What do you guys think? Isn't that pretty awesome? Nice. If you hold it up next to the bike, you can get an idea.
I want to see that against the other carbon.
Yeah. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah,
so that's more of a satin finish.
Yeah.
And this is more matte, but still looks really good together, right? And for
yeah, it really matches.
For it being different, it's still like
matches this really good.
Yeah, look at that.
It's gonna look like that.
That's gonna look so good. It'll be interesting to see if it saves any weight too.
Oh yeah.
So
they're very light.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think of them though? Looks way better than plastic, right?
Yeah. It's gonna look
way better.
Feel that.
What do you think?
Holy shit.
Pretty light, right?
Yeah. Super light. These are heavier than they look because they're solid and they have to be.
Because they have to handle a lot of downforce, yeah. So, Teens is doing the unboxings, the rest of these, and then we'll check out the other pieces. All right, next is the tank cover. I can't wait to see this one. Look, Teens is even matching the bike today. Did you do that on purpose?
Nope.
Did you wear red to match? No? So
like
this is,
symbol.
Yeah, so this is the Ducati Performance stuff. So it only comes in satin, right? The finish on these, yeah. So you can hold it next to this, Teens. You can see matte finish versus satin. I mean, it's almost identical. Like you can't
just a little bit of a shine
really tell. So that's gonna go right here. It's gonna replace this piece. The nice thing about it is it gets rid of these weird, stupid, yeah, look at that. Ooh. That looks so sick. That piece is really gonna tie everything in, along with these winglets, and then the final thing we'll be getting rid of these stupid stickers, and we have carbon frame covers for that too.
It's got nice gills.
It looks cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking straight at those gills. You know what I'm doing. And then the final part we're gonna do today is the comfort seat. I'll be completely honest, this seat is totally fine. It's a very nice, comfortable seat. But I think that the comfort seat is a little bit more padded and it looks really, really nice. It's Alcantara and it has some really nice, like that Ducati symbol on there. Look how cool that looks. And it gives you a little bit more padding. That is beautiful. Yeah, see the difference? Look at those side by side. Like which seat do you want to put your ass on, Teens?
More exciting.
Right? You like the one that's more exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's the one Teens wants to sit on. It's Teens approved. All right, so we're starting with the seat here. And I'm gonna be really curious to see if it puts the seat any higher. I don't know if it's thicker or not, because this bike is already kind of hard. I don't tippy toe, but I'm like kind of on my balls and my feet. So it'll be curious to see. Nice.
It looks like thicker.
Does it look thicker? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that thickness compared to that one. I don't know. Hold it the other way, Corey. Like face them together. I want to see.
It still looks a little bit thicker to me, padding.
It does,
sure.
yeah, I agree. Yeah. So it probably is going to put you up a little bit higher. So that'll be interesting to see. Yeah. All right, so fitting on the comfort seat here.
There you go, bro.
It definitely looks a little bit thicker. I'm going to say that right off the bat. Look at that thing. But it does look really, really good. Damn, that looks beautiful. I love the little Ducati symbol right there. So this is definitely flatter, which is nice because a lot of Ducatis send your ball straight into the gas tank. So this one, oh, that's nice. So it doesn't seem like it really braced it at all, actually, because that's about exactly where I was before. Yeah, so maybe it's just the angle. So I'm 5'10" for 32-inch inseam. So I don't know, I just made that up. But no, this feels totally fine, and I can tell you, my butt is very happy on this guy. And they're not that expensive, right? They're like $200 some dollars. 280. That's not bad. I remember the comfort seat for the 959 was like $400 or something. So I don't know where they're saving money on making seats. Maybe I made that up too. I don't know. All right, Preston wanted to hop on it. How's it feel?
Good.
Does it feel higher, or is that exactly where you were before?
Higher.
Your little Filipino tippy toes?
Yeah.
So it does feel higher to you? Oh, okay. I didn't notice it. Yeah, he's. How tall are you, Preston?
More torso. 5'7".
5'7"?
Yeah.
5'7"? 5'7"? All right, and you said there's adjustment?
There's adjustable ride height on it.
Oh, okay, so we can always adjust that.
Not there, that's the preload, but down here at the bottom you can see there's a little bit of adjustability. There's a tie rod kind of style down there, 2 lock nuts.
Okay, so if a short rider wins the bike, maybe we'll give them some adjustment. Yeah, cool. Well, that's awesome.
You can bring it down
Super easy to do. So if you guys have a Streetfighter, you want it to look a little bit nicer, and you want a little bit more padding if you're doing longer rides, and you don't want to slide into the gas tank, check out the comfort seat. It's Campisi approved. All right, next we're gonna remove the tank cover up here. So it looks like 4 bolts, and this puppy will be gone. Does the new one say Streetfighter on it? Did anyone check that?
It says
Ducati Performance.
So it no longer says Streetfighter on the bike.
It says,
is this a sticker, or what? How's that on there? Because you can't feel it, huh?
I think it's under the clear coat.
Oh, it's under the clear. Okay, cool. So that's cool. We getting rid of the sticker on the bike. So the only place that says Streetfighter now is down here, and that is cleared over as well, I believe. But yeah, it's getting there. All right, so this piece comes off kind of odd. There's Velcro on here, so you kind of gotta pop those loose first.
Yeah.
And then peel it up.
And then there's 4 little
tab things.
little nipples.
Oh, little nips. 4 nips are better than 2.
Little rubbers.
There you go.
Boom.
So there's the difference. This is where our little battery is. Our little restart button on our anti-gravity that saved us 4 pounds off the bike. Some other goodies in there as well. All right, let's see what this puppy looks like when we put it on here. Oh God. Preston and Corey said this is one of their favorite mods on any Streetfighter / Panigale, because it just really makes it look premium, and it's something that you look at every single time you're riding the bike. So it's, damn, look at that. Woo! Wow. Especially with the carbon gas cap too. That is badass. And it also ties in the carbon rear tail section.
Yeah, that's
Whew, man, and the winglets are gonna tie that in. This bike looks so good now. All right, so it's officially installed, tightened down. Guys, this piece looks incredible. That is beautiful. Again, it's something you're gonna be looking at every time you're riding. Man, that looks so nice. I wish that they had this piece right here in carbon. I'd probably keep that red, but that would be cool to do that in carbon, but it's not available right now. So we're doing the best we can. So what are we doing next? Taking these puppies off? So is it 2 screws per wing?
Yeah, and I usually use the ball end.
Yeah, to get in there.
Twisty.
And don't hit anything?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We'll take these off next. All right, so he's got the wings off on this side. We're gonna weigh all of these before we put these on, but look, go ahead, John. Look at the difference, guys. Holy shit, look at that.
Sick.
That looks amazing. Damn, people were saying leave the wings off. You don't want to do that, guys, because the whole electronics of the bike were all tied in using the wings, which provide downforce. Yeah, so you definitely don't want to do that.
Engineered.
Yeah, they're engineered for a reason, so damn, that's gonna look so good. So he's just pulling the wings off the other side, and once we have all of these off, we're gonna weigh the plastic ones against the carbon ones, and we're gonna see what kind of a difference there is. All right, final one coming off this side, okay? We're gonna throw it in the box. We already zeroed this out. Let's go put it on the scale. All right, we got the plastic stock wings in the bin on the scale, and we're looking at
About 2.
right at 2. It's not Come on, focus. There you go. So it's just under 2, but we'll call it 2 for ease of weighing and math, because I don't do math. All right, carbon wings going in, courtesy of the beautiful Christina Khalil.
The beautiful.
Gently, gently. I just want to talk to him.
Oh, 1.5 for ease of math. So you saved half a pound.
Half a pound. I'll take that. Woo! Half a pound, boys. And yeah, half a pound. Yeah, but that whole area, remember before we saved a pound? So now we saved 1.5 pounds just on the carbon radiator side guards and the winglets. I'll take it.
Across the table and just like,
we were talking about Always Sunny, right? What is it, teens? Is your cat making too much noise? So hilarious. All right, carbon winglets going on. This will be the final thing we do today. And I think out of all the things that we've done, I would say these 2 right here are the biggest things that change the look of this bike. So if you guys want to make your Streetfighter look primo and set it apart from all the other Streetfighters that are out there, since they're selling like hotcakes, pretty easy mod to do. The carbon side radiator covers and the carbon winglets, and it's gonna be like a spicy meatball. That's a spicy meatball. Look at that, guys.
Spend so much on electronics.
It's not gonna come across nearly as much on camera because I'm looking in real life and on the camera here. It kind of looks just black on camera, or maybe like a little bit of a satin sheen, but in real life you can actually see the carbon. Yeah, doesn't it look so much more premium?
yeah, that's how they should come.
I agree. For almost $30,000 out the door for a V4S, damn, that looks good. Holy crap. Now where does your eye go? Straight to this. We'll get rid of that in the next episode. Damn, that looks really cool. All right, winglets going on hot. Everyone was commenting that I didn't say anything about your hair being cut, Corey. And I was like, well, I saw it like 2 weeks ago. Everyone on YouTube saw it for the first time, but yeah, Corey cut his hair, so I was actually a little bit sad too, but you know, sometimes you gotta do it, right?
Reset.
A lot less time to get ready too.
Yeah.
And wait for it to dry and all that.
Exactly.
Yeah, teens knows. But yeah, here you go, winglets going on.
Boom.
They look incredible. In the same 6 Newton meters, is that what they were?
Super sexy.
Jaret Bear knows. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is really gorgeous.
Going from this to up here to this carbon.
Yeah.
Front, and then you got the back.
And the comfort seat. Look at that shot right there. John's wiener in the background. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, it looks really good. What do you guys think of it?
Oh my god.
The bike needed it.
It did.
It did. This brought it together. I don't know.
It looks sinister,
Yeah,
doesn't it? It looks sinister.
Like with this, I was like, oh man.
It kind of didn't match.
But yeah, that pulls it together. So does this.
Ties it all in, dude. Look at
I got
that.
a little carbon up here.
We need to push this outside and take some photos in the sun with Christina on it. Damn, that looks good. All right, we're putting this bad boy in the sun so we can see how it looks. This is how we get our thumbnail photos. See a little behind the scenes. No. Put it over here. Alrighty, thanks bud, appreciate it. All right, we got it in the sun. Teens is gonna hop up on here. Let us know what you think of that comfort seat. You should be fine. You should be fine. I got you.
I match it so well.
You do, you match perfectly.
Oh, that seat is comfy.
Is it nice?
I like how flat it is. Usually I'm like riding into the front, but
Feels good?
feels really good, yeah.
How's it look top down there?
Sexy, gorgeous.
Doesn't it look amazing? Look at that.
Look at that. Oh my
That's what you
goodness.
see every time you ride, except you got that
Beautiful.
too. You got the dash.
Yeah. There it is.
Right?
This could be you. This could be your bike.
Could be you. So I think that's it for today, guys. We don't have much left for this. Like I said, we have the carbon frame covers we're gonna do next. We have a few cool knick-knack pieces from Moto Million. A carbon piece that's gonna cover this right here, and then a couple other pieces, but it's really, really close. You wanna put your legs up on the rear sets? Yeah, there you go. But there you go, guys. Look at that. Look how badass that looks. So yeah, if you want to be entered to win this bike, guys, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. Shout out to Ducati Santa Barbara for all their hard work, and of course Manny from Moto Million if you want any parts. They're always linked in the description below. But I think it's going to do it for this episode. I will be taking this out for a maiden voyage. We still have detailing and ceramic coating coming for both of our bikes, but yeah, I'm really happy with how that looks. Those winglets look absolutely incredible. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.